Hey guys, how are you? My name is Carlos. I'm a water photographer from Costa Rica, Playa Santa Teresa, and I shoot every single day. And here is my experience on how my GoPro 12 got on fire. So I will be explaining by chapters, I guess, about the resolution, what happened, how the process went, and as I have to send it tomorrow, obviously, I'm gonna show you like this how it is. Imagine my face as I work every day. Look, it didn't have the sticker. Why? Because I don't take selfies or nothing like that. I only use it as professional. And yeah, here is the video, and look at this. Welcome back. I got news for you. I got my new GoPro 12, perfect conditions, and with an extra battery, which is like, well, I think it was deserved. But yeah, they solved it, and it was very fast. The customer service is super fast. As I told you before, I sent the camera, I would say like 1 week ago, and 1 week after I already got this one. This is my first session with this GoPro. I mean, with this replacement, obviously. But so yeah, I'm very happy with GoPro. Thank you very much. And yeah, have a great shooting. Pura vida. And hi from Santa Teresa. And about to shoot. Let's go and see what the water brings us today. Pura vida. Have a great day. Oh, the memory card. Oh my god. The memory card.